Hello viewer, this is my third tutorial on Xamarin. If you're not subscribed yet, then please subscribe my channel for new video tutorials. In this video, we will see how to use Piker or Combo or Dropdown box in Xamarin. So this will be the output of my today's video. Click on Piker. This is company list. Click on it. Click result. This text box is displaying company D. Again, if I change my company B, result, company B. So let's see how we can do it using Xamarin. Let's create a Xamarin project, new project. Select this one, Piker in Xamarin. Okay, select master detail. First, I'm gonna take a company model plus public ID, set public string name, get set, override string. I am declaring this for our Piker. Whatever I write here, we will see that on Piker. ID, name. Okay. Let's take a company page. New item, Xamarin.Forms, content page, company page. Private Piker. Button. Entry. Page title. Company page. Let's take a company list. Company. Companies. Add new company ID 1, name, company A. Same as I'm gonna take some other companies. 2, 3, 4, 5. Company B, company C, D, E. Let's take a stack layout. Stack layout. I'm gonna load this company list in this Piker. New. Title. Select company. Piker. Item source, which is my company list, and then push this Piker in stack layout. Children dot add Piker. Declare a button. Text. Result button clicked. Double tap. Now I am declaring an text box, which is entry text placeholder Piker selected value content stack layout. Okay, done. Now when I click on this button, text box value will be selected value of the picker. So picker dot selected item dot toString. This toString means this one. So the format will be ID space company name. Now go to app.xaml.cs. So the main page is company page. Let's run our project. Okay, select on Piker. This is my company list. 1 means company ID, company A, which is company name. Select 1, click result. Again, select company E, result. Now, if I want to see only company name here, then what we have to do is stop our project, only company name. Run again. Now, because displays only company names. Okay, done. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please like, comment, and share. And obviously subscribe my channel for new video tutorials. Thank you.